mama.
G, brown out po. Ano? Anyari? Oh my God! Totoo? Oh, mga my loves! Ano to?
Hello, mga my loves.
Hi, mga my... Ah! It's... Si Katie. Naiwan.
Oh,
Diba? Katie? Anak, are you okay? Hey, baby. Are you okay? It's brown out. Wait, close po. Close, brown out, anak. Mama is just checking Kate. Okay po. I love you. Are you okay here? Yes po. You want to be alone even if it's brown out? Yes. Dito ka lang muna konti. Tapos, go down? You're not scared? It's brown out. I'm not scared. May music naman ako pakinggan. Anong kanta yan? A Tear Fell. A Tear Fell? Yes po. Victor Wood? Hindi po. Babae kumakanta. I love you. I love you. Sige lang. Okay lang daw siya. Maliit lang siya. Wala. Nakikinig naman daw siya ng music.
Kulit yung mama.
Babush!
Sabi mo ba?
Ayun, Chris, sa mesa.
Hindi yan. Okay.
Ayan o. Alam may mono. It's called brain fog.
Okay. Good night.
Night.
I love you.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Happy. Naka-vlog ka lang ako. I love you, Katie. I love you.
yes. And I love you. Night. Bye-bye.
Hey. Hey. Remember. Hey. Hey. Okay, nandyan na yung grab ni Papa.
Andyan na yung grab ni Papa, ha? Good night. Bye-bye.
Fam Squad and System.
Ang social naman ng fans.
Grabe naman yung Fam Squad. Grabe.
Grabe.
Thank you, Fam Squad and Ate Kat.
Saan na yan?
Saan?
Saan na yan?
Paper bag lang, no?
Ah.
Actually, hindi, alam mo naman, Penoy.
Kasi favorite mo yung Penoy.
Oo nga, pwede rin.
Oo,
Sabi niya, nag-expect ka naman masyado. Paper bag lang nila yun.
Chocolate cake rin.
Sana naman maging nanay ni